I'm gonna be doing a dish that I have been eating literally as long as I can remember, but I've never made it on a Blackstone. I've got some frizzle right here. I've got a massive chicken cutlet.
I'm just gonna wait to start cooking until we can finish at the same time.
You're sick of rushing your food. That's what you're sick of. Chicken casserole is part of my family heritage. Growing up, I didn't know how my mom made it. Then when I got old enough and I moved out, I'm like, all right, Mom, I need you to tell me how to make this dish. And she's like, yeah, first thing that you need is a can of cream of mushroom. I hate mushrooms.
It's not mushrooms, it's cream of mushrooms.
But there are little mushrooms inside there. So I tried for years to make it without cream of mushroom, and it can't be done. So I had to pivot and go with it. So I've got a little bit of cream of mushroom, I've got some cream of chicken, I've got some rotel, and then I've got some diced bell peppers and some onions. I've got my chicken, I flipped it over, but I'm adding a little dome right here. That's gonna assist with some convection heat. So let's talk about this sauce for a second. It's unfortunate that I had to become a grown-up and understand what all was in it. I hate mushrooms.
What
We're gonna bring all of this together.
That sounds delicious.
It is delicious.
Then why are you talking about it took you till you were a grown-up?
I ate like a kid until I was like...
Yesterday.
31. And
31 wasn't yesterday.
Now I eat a little better.
Who are you kidding?
My mom took a little heat when it came to the meatloaf.
Yeah?
Because her meatloaf wasn't that great.
Man, you're so rude.
No, because my mom makes the best chicken casserole there is. When I moved out, I kind of transformed it as like a nachos. Mom always boiled the chicken and then she took it out, let it rest, and then she would hand shred it. It's in the love. I'm not gonna hand tear this chicken. We don't have that time.
We do have that time.
Because my pushy friend over here.
We can all sit around and wait for you again.
I'm not gonna let you manipulate me, buddy.
But you did.
I know.
Either way, being able to cook with a pot right on the griddle is a real game changer here.
I've got my heat right here turned off because it's already pretty hot. Gotta get some tortilla chips, Mission tortilla chips.
On the griddle?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So, again, if you're at home, you can do this in the microwave.
I didn't say a word.
You didn't have to say a word. More chips. You don't have to leave them as a whole chip. It's strange, right?
It is.
It's just one of those things. Now we go with the cheese and we go over top.
This is fun.
I'm gonna add just a bit of water up here at the front. Not on the chips. Not riding under it. I want to just steam it up a little bit. And now we wait. Check that out. The big reveal. Find your favorite hot sauce. Just a little cilantro. There we go.
It's a lot going on. I'm like, my brain and my mouth are confused.
But your palate's telling you yes?
He knows.
Yeah, I do know.